My name is M. Lakshmi. First MScs. Subject CS. Programming C++. I will tell topic recall. Recall is two types: actual parameters and formal parameters. The actual parameters. The parameters passed to a function. Formal parameters. The parameters received by a function. Add into m comma n inverted commas. This formula is into add into a comma into b. In replace the m replaced by a, n is replaced by b. These m and n, these are two actual parameters, and b also formal parameters. Opening bracket, return a plus b into a plus b inverted commas, closing bracket. First, call by value. Here values of actual parameters will be copied to formal parameters and to different parameters. Store values in the different locations. Into x is equals to 10, y is equals to 20. Function x comma y. Into function x into a into x comma into y. Opening bracket. The value x and y values is changed in this side. X is equals to 20, y is equals to 10. These x and y are the local to the function discrete. The x and y values are changing in original values. Change the x is equals to 20, y is equals to 10. Closing. Here original values. These are original values. These are changing values. These are changing the values. Here printf inverted commas x is equals to percentile d, y is equals to percentile d, x comma y. Output. The output is in original values. X is equals to 10, y is equals to 20. Call by reference. Here both actual parameters refers to same memory location. Actual parameters refers to the same memory in the call by reference. Therefore, any changes made to the formal parameters will get reflected to actual parameters. Here, instead of passing values, we pass addresses into x is equals to 10 comma y is equals to 20. Function. What is this means? Addresses. This means addresses. Address x comma addresses y into function into prt1 into ptr2. Opening braces. ptr1 is equals to 20. Here changing the values. ptr2 10. Here original values. We take 1000. X is equals to 1000. Original value will 10. Y is equals to 20. 2000. PTR give to 1000. PTR2 2000. These are the call by reference.